For a professional office cleaning business, choose a disinfectant cleaner that balances proven germ kill claims with low toxicity and compatibility with common office surfaces. Select an Environmental Protection Agency registered disinfectant when possible, and verify it lists efficacy against the organisms you care about, such as influenza virus or human coronavirus, because registration confirms tested kill claims. Prefer ready-to-use all-purpose cleaners that also carry disinfectant claims to save time on separate steps and reduce chemical interactions. If you must use concentrates, measure precisely with a graduated container and follow dilution ratios on the label to maintain effectiveness. Choose products with neutral to mildly alkaline pH for general hard surfaces because extreme pH can damage finishes over time, and avoid bleach and ammonia mixes which can create hazardous fumes if combined. For health and comfort, favor low volatile organic compound formulations and fragrance-free options to reduce occupant complaints and respiratory irritation. Look at the safety data sheet for inhalation risk and recommended personal protective equipment. Use microfiber cloths with a color-coded system to prevent cross-contamination between restrooms, kitchens, and general office space, then launder microfiber in hot water without fabric softener to preserve pickup ability. Implement contact time management by applying disinfectant and timing its dwell period with a visible clock or app so surfaces stay wet for the full labeled time before wiping. Common mistakes include underdosing disinfectants, which leaves surviving pathogens and gives a false sense of security, so always measure concentrate and document dilution and mixing practices. Another frequent issue is short contact time, where staff spray and immediately wipe, which prevents kills, so train teams to wait the listed minutes and maintain surface wetness by reapplying if needed. Compatibility problems arise when strong disinfectants degrade surfaces or electronics, so spot test small areas, use products formulated for electronics on screens and keyboards, and avoid excessive liquid. Use spray onto cloth, then apply to sensitive items. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around home improvement needs and maintenance topics related to cleaning and disinfecting. We help homeowners find local contractors, and we give contractors a place to find work and join a discussion community where we exchange practical tips and product experiences.